Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a nice comment. Today I am making delicious, crispy, flaky parathas. Let's see what we need for it and how I make it. Let's make it! Half teaspoon sugar. Half teaspoon baking powder. This makes the paratha crispy. Half teaspoon salt or to taste. Half teaspoon cumin seeds, optional. I like cumin in my paratha. If you don't like it, you can leave it out. 3 cups all-purpose flour or whole wheat flour. 1 cup warm water or as needed. Step 1. Make the dough. Mix the flour with salt, sugar, baking powder, and cumin. Gradually add warm water and knead the dough until smooth and soft. The dough should be neither too hard nor too soft. The better you knead the dough, the better the parathas will be. Step 2. Rest the dough. Grease the dough with 1 tablespoon ghee or oil. Cover it with a plate or plastic cover and let it rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Step 3. Create the layers. Ghee for layering. Use ghee because ghee makes good layers. Flour for sprinkling. Divide the dough into 5 equal portions and roll each portion into a smooth ball. Keep the dough balls covered so they don't dry out. Take 1 dough ball and dust it with dry flour. Roll it out as thinly as possible into a large circle. It doesn't matter how your rolled out paratha looks, the only important thing is that it is even and thin. The larger and thinner you roll this out, the more thin layers you'll get. Brush the entire surface generously with melted ghee. If there's too little ghee, the layers will not form. Lightly sprinkle dry flour over the ghee. First, I will fold it from one side, apply ghee on it, and sprinkle flour on it. Then I will fold it from the other side. Then apply ghee, sprinkle flour on it, Then I will fold it again and apply ghee on it, sprinkle flour on it, Gently stretch the strip to lengthen it. Roll the strip into a tight spiral coil. Tuck the loose end of the strip under the dough and press down gently. Repeat with the remaining dough balls. Step 4. Roll out the paratha. Take one of the pieces of dough ball, dust it lightly with flour. Using a rolling pin and light pressure, gently roll the dough into a round paratha. Roll carefully not to press too hard, which will flatten the layers. Step 5. Cook the paratha. Heated tawa or griddle on medium-high heat. Place the rolled paratha on a hot griddle cooktop until you see small bubbles on the surface. Flip the paratha and generously apply ghee or oil to the cooked side. Flip again and apply ghee or oil to the other side. Press gently with a spatula to help it puff up and cook evenly. Continue flipping and cooking until both sides are golden brown with crispy spots and the layers are starting to separate. Once cooked, transfer the paratha to a plate. Serve hot with kebabs, raita, or pickles. You can see how crispy this paratha is and how many layers it has. I hope you liked this video. Now I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye!